Greetings, Marcus Melnick here with Firearm Mentor. I wanted to talk to you about recent lawsuits with the assault weapons ban that was signed into law by Governor Pritzker. I think it's very important for everybody to understand law enforcement and how it works. So let's step back a moment. This assault weapons ban was signed into law by Pritzker in first week of January. And a vast majority of sheriffs in the state have submitted letters or made public statements that have said, we're not going to enforce this law. We took an oath to the Constitution. Our obligation is to the Constitution, not to the governor. And I get it, and that's a great thing. However, you're talking about county law enforcement. And in states, and I'm only talking about Illinois, there are multiple levels of law enforcement. You have the Illinois State Police, who generally patrol state roads. Then you have county police or sheriff's police, and they police unincorporated areas. So while all of these counties in southern central Illinois have sheriffs and the vast majority is unincorporated, that's great. The people there are wonderful. But once you get into the Chicago area, or even the Rockford area, or Peoria, you've got towns that are incorporated. And many of these towns have municipal police departments. Municipal police officers also enforce state law. What this means is you may live in a, for lack of a better term, sanctuary county where the sheriff has decided not to enforce this law, at least until it goes through the legal challenges. Let's just talk about DuPage. That seems to be getting a lot of media exposure. So Sheriff Mendrick basically put out a letter, and the county board is all up in arms that he's not going to enforce this unconstitutional law, which is fantastic. However, most of DuPage County is actually incorporated. So you've got Lombard is DuPage for sure. I think Wheaton is. You can have police departments within those counties, within those sanctuary counties, who will enforce the law. So it's not a get out of jail free card, and I think it's very important to understand that just because you live in one of these counties that have been identified in the map that's been circulating on social media, that you are not necessarily safe. You still should take precautions to follow the law. Such precautions may include registration and signing an affidavit, which is not in effect right now. There's not a mechanism for it. Sell your items to someone out of state and or store your items out of state. Those are the legal ways to comply with this law. There's going to be a lot of civil disobedience. I get that. I cannot encourage it as a pillar in the firearms community. As an instructor, I can't tell you to break the law. I will tell you a lot of people will be breaking the law. Hopefully this stay on the law, which only affects the 200 or so plaintiffs in the DeVore case, will extend to the entire state. That's my hope. I don't have any inside information. I get information just like you, but I wanted to share what local law enforcement really is. Just because you live in one of those counties doesn't mean you're scot-free. So, if you like this video, please hit the bell, hit the like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. If you'd like to hear me speak about anything else, I'm happy to do a video. Always looking for great ideas. Thank you, everyone, and stay safe. Bye-bye.